From powerful earthquakes and violent storms to rare sights in the sky and sea, these unbelievable nature moments capture how unpredictable our planet can be. Every clip is real, unscripted, and recorded in the moment it happened. Now, let's begin with today's extraordinary footage. Cameras captured the exact moment an earthquake shook Vanuatu, offering a stark look at how suddenly the ground can move when tectonic forces are released. In Jonesboro, Arkansas, a powerful tornado tore through the area with extreme intensity. Tornadoes can form and strengthen rapidly, leaving little time to seek shelter. Amid a wildfire in Western Australia, a rare fire whirl rose into the air. A firefighter's dashcam happened to record the moment, highlighting how heat and wind can combine into dangerous rotating columns of flame. A bright lightning bolt split the sky over West Virginia, briefly illuminating the landscape during a strong thunderstorm. Large hail from severe thunderstorms in West Virginia damaged homes and vehicles. Events like this are a reminder to always have a safe shelter plan when storms approach. In Gaza, sand appeared to bubble at the surface, confusing onlookers. This can happen when air or water is forced upward through saturated ground beneath the sand. Alligators at Paynes Prairie in Florida move quietly through the wetlands. These powerful reptiles are a vital part of the ecosystem, balancing life in the marsh. In Hallein, Austria, floodwaters surged through Commercial Street, turning an ordinary day into chaos as fast-moving water overwhelmed the area. A memorable moment unfolded inside New Zealand's Parliament as the ground began to shake, causing even the interior of the building to sway during the earthquake. After a strong earthquake in Japan, deep cracks split the roadway, leaving behind a quiet but powerful image of destruction. Amazing Inspire is a luxury resort in South Korea where modern technology blends with carefully designed natural surroundings, offering a striking balance between innovation and environment.
It's okay if you can't get a photo of it.
There, back. Is it? Yeah.
A roof was torn from a building when Hurricane Lisa made landfall in Belize. Powerful wind gusts like these can strip structures apart in seconds. In New Jersey, a worker narrowly escaped when live power lines ignited during a storm. Electricity and severe weather are never a safe combination. Frozen gas bubbles formed strange pearl-like spheres beneath a lake in northeast China. Trapped gases and freezing temperatures created these rare underwater formations. Cumbre Vieja volcano released thick plumes of smoke, a reminder that volcanic systems can remain active long after eruptions appear to subside. Perfectly round snowballs rolled by cold winds lined the beach, a rare phenomenon formed when sticky snow gathers and moves across frozen sand. If you recognize this creature, share its name below. Curiosity and shared knowledge help us better understand the natural world. Humpback whales, gentle giants of the ocean, are famous for their spectacular breaches. Powerful displays believed to play roles in communication and social behaviour. A strong earthquake struck southern Philippines, causing a crane atop a high-rise construction site in Davao to collapse. Construction equipment is especially vulnerable during seismic shaking. A street hot dog stand in Taiwan suddenly began to shake as the ground moved beneath it. Vendors and customers rushed away in alarm as the earthquake struck without warning. In Palm Beach Gardens, an intense tornado devastated an entire block shortly before Hurricane Milton arrived. The combination of rotating winds and an approaching storm created an especially dangerous situation.
Oh God. Gross. Ugh.
Large groups often gather like this when conditions are favourable, whether for warmth, food or protection. What do you think brought them together?
Farming crickets. 2024.
Whoa! Whee!
This animal is so perfectly camouflaged that if it blends into surrounding bushes, it can be nearly impossible to spot. Camouflage remains one of nature's most effective survival strategies. Inside this den, numerous young snakes are gathered together. Communal nesting can help conserve heat and improve survival during early life stages.
Windshield. The road there. Sunroof's busted in.
As hail poured down, one man desperately tried to shield his barbecue grill with an umbrella. A small human moment against the force of extreme weather. Relentless rain turned streets in eastern Belgium into rivers, leaving parked cars stranded as water levels rose rapidly. A strong earthquake struck Matsudo in northeastern Japan, shaking buildings across the area and reminding residents how suddenly seismic energy can be released. Snow removal crews across central New York continue working through harsh conditions to keep roads open. Their steady effort plays a critical role in maintaining safety and mobility during winter storms.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Without tools or planning, nature sculpted delicate ice formations, turning an ordinary golf course into an outdoor gallery shaped by cold air and wind. Fish suddenly appeared across a desert landscape, moving like a living river. Flash flooding can temporarily connect dry land to nearby waterways carrying aquatic life with it. In the quiet of the night, fungi release microscopic spores into the air. This slow, unseen process allows life to spread, carried by subtle air currents. A powerful dust storm swept through central California, turning the sky opaque and reducing visibility. When conditions like this arise, protecting your eyes and limiting travel can reduce risk. North Carolina was hit by a strong storm that toppled even mature trees. High winds remind us how vulnerable landscapes and infrastructure can be during severe weather. In northern New York, a woman and child narrowly escaped moments before a manhole explosion erupted behind them. Underground pressure and gas buildup can turn routine streets into sudden danger zones. These unbelievable nature moments remind us that nature can inspire awe, curiosity, and caution all at once. Each scene carries a lesson about respect and awareness in a changing world. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you again with more remarkable moments.